Hello! I got more and more questions about proper and safe fixing. And today I will explain you how we in Blick system do this. Blick system offers two constructions of undercut anchors. These are S-type with external thread and SQ type with internal thread. Both type of anchors are pretty easy controlled. For proper fixing we are using torque wrenches. In general there are two types of torque wrenches. These which click when set torque is reached and these which bend. So let's see what is the difference between these two constructions and how I use them. Remember to set the torque at proper level. Too low torque may loosen the anchor, and too high level can destroy your panel. Remember that the torque level depends on the distance between the screw you fix and the bending point, which means the force where you pull. If you want to use flush-type anchors for continuous assembly and disassembly elements, in very rare situations it may happen that the anchor turns around. To fix it, I will present you a much better solution. As you can see, it's easy job. Thank you for watching.